Peace and blessings, family. This is Anthony Muhammad with Brain Food TV. Coming to send you all a short reminder that you can go to www.noi.org to hear the latest lecture and speech given by the Honorable Minister Louis Farrakhan. It is so important that we pay attention to this message, simply because of the fact that I think that as a people, we have gotten so arrogant that we don't want to be solidified in our knowledge at this time. And we have gotten satisfied with this minuscule knowledge that has gotten us through this period of short difficulty. There is going to be a long suffering in the process of the resurrection of the black man and woman. God has given us a man that through his works have reflected perfectly the works of Jesus. And we've been looking for him this whole time, wishing that he will come and save us as if we are not worthy of being saved. Well, I'd like to tell you that in the person of Master Febuary Muhammad, Allah came to raise up the most honorable Elijah Muhammad and to raise up the Honorable Minister Louis Farrakhan as a modern day Moses and a modern day Jesus to show us exactly what we need to do to get to the other side, which is first unify as a people and stop looking away from knowledge that will turn you into the God that Jesus said we were. Ye are all God's children of the Most High God. Now, if you are getting information from anywhere else to where you can say that it is leveling you up in trying to become a God, who better to listen to than the Honorable Minister Louis Farrakhan? He has done nothing to you and I that is aside from what is beneficial to our lives. I need everybody with a stubborn, self-righteous mind to empty yourself, to let the words of God come into you and make you a new man and a new woman. But it will not happen if you close your mind out to the Honorable Minister Louis Farrakhan. I have to be honest. So if you wish to have the best kind of knowledge, the best kind of security in what you must do to get through this time, I need you all to go to www.noi.org and tune in to the Swan song. It is about 5 hours. Take your time with it. When you feel as if you have been fooled, I want you to stop the video, simmer, and reflect on what he said and come back to it. And please, I want you all to know that this brother that you see right here has not always been this. And without the Honorable Minister Louis Farrakhan, I could be nothing to you all. So please do me a favor, tune into that message so that you can have the knowledge to get through to the hereafter. I appreciate you all tuning in with this short clip of Brain Food TV. I'll see you all soon. Peace.